So here is my S13 240SX 94 convertible, and I figured I'd start a series on how to fix / upgrade it from the perspective of no one knows, or from a perspective of someone who doesn't know jack shit about cars, and truthfully I don't. I can change my oil. That's about as good as it gets. So, tire out the way. I've never done a brake job, so here we go, the inside, all good stuff. Not sure if you can see that, but it looks like I ain't got much shoe left. But I'll work through this. It looks like I've got 2 bolts back here that need to be taken off. And that should release the caliper. Damn it. And I'm not sure if it's a mechanic thing. Maybe some people are born with it. But I have to try like 12 different fucking sockets to get the one I want. You're not gonna believe this, but I just sheared off the reducer, the 3/8 reducer. Goes from 1/2 to 3/8 to fit this smaller bit, and it just fucking sheared off. So it's not really my day. I can't fucking believe that just happened. We're gonna try a 1/2 long or deep well socket over. Okay, so now we got our caliper off. Get the brake pads out, and we can see that we actually got a good bit left on them. Huh. Well, I'm really not sure what that is, but here we have our brake caliper pusher in thing. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck it's called. I call it the brake caliper pusher in thing. And here you can see the fucking 240SX single pot caliper, and it's basically rubbish. So here we go. I'm trying to find a good place to do this. So we just twist this, and that slow. Damn it. Slowly pushing that piston back into the well. And Now that it's full and completely retracted, we can sit there and unscrew it. Okay. There we have AutoZone brake pads. Just OEM replacement. What the fuck? So we ran into a problem. They gave me the wrong size brakes. Real cool. So I guess we're going back to fucking AutoZone. Okay, just got back from AutoZone, and turns out I secretly had ABS the entire time, and my car never told me. I've locked up the brakes before and didn't have any pressure, any feedback from the brake pedal. If you have, it's got a chip in it. If you got a ABS, I always was under the impression that you would get feedback, but as you can see, that's a lot closer than the ones I had. I think we're good now. So I'm gonna turn this camera off. I'm gonna get back set up, and we're gonna try to finish this. Okay, we're gonna try to do it right this time. We have what I'm under the impression of is the correct brake calipers, and they should just slide in. That's a good fit. And then we've got the other side, which should also just slide in. Now my rotor does feel like shit, to be honest with you, but I do have a Z32 brake calipers, and I'm looking to do a 5-lug, so I'm not really worried about it. Well, I'm not worried about it to the point where I'm going to sit there and buy brand new rotors when I plan on sitting there and replacing them real soon. So, and that just slides over like that. Make sure that the brakes are in there, the caliper fits right. We got our 2 bolts. Go ahead and screw them right back in. I'm sure there's some torque spec or silly shit I should follow, but it's a brake pad, or it's a brake pad change. Okay, so we have the brake pads fully changed, tires back on, lug nuts on, and now we have to go set the brake pads. I was always told to see, right now I don't have a brake pedal, and the method I used where you sit there and now we have to go find a deserted street to reverse up on, and then tap the brakes to get them to set properly. Right now the brake pads feel pretty good. I think we're going to do it right here. Throw it in reverse. Get going. Hit. 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 Stop. Then we're going to do it one more time. Hit. hit, hit, and that should set the brake pads. That feels pretty good. So, on like a difficulty scale, that's probably like a 2.5. It's not really hard. It's a little bit dirty. It's not hard. So, it's not bad. Well, I guess that'll be the first segment on learn how to treat your 240 with some respect and do stuff and a learning curve and all that good stuff. So, I'm out. Peace.